The robot mop is a robotic device designed to clean floors. It uses sensors to detect dirt and debris. It then cleans the floor using a vacuum cleaner-like system. There are many products available to choose robot mop and vacuum, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of best robot mop and vacuum from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description box. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Robot. Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Wet and Dry Robotic Vacuum gives you 2 ways to clean in one revolutionary robot. Its 2-tank system powerfully vacuums or actively mops. So, when used in dry vacuuming mode, it collects pet hair, dirt, and other debris across multiple surfaces. And when used in wet mopping mode, the mop pads and Bissell wood floor formula scrub messes on sealed hard floors. Thanks to the soft surface avoidance sensor, you don't have to worry about it cleaning surfaces like rugs when in wet mopping mode. Plus, this product doesn't just clean up after pets, it helps save them. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. When you buy a Bissell product, you help save pets too. Shorter runtime than normal allow machine to fully charge for 4 hours in between cleaning cycles. Remove any obstacles from the cleaning path. The machine may return to the dock if it thinks it's cleaned the entire accessible area. Even if the battery is not fully consumed, change cleaning mode to mid or low in the Bissell Connect app for optimal runtime. Number 2. NOISZ by ILIFE S5 Pro Robot. With a water tank installed inside the machine, S5 Pro is capable of damp mopping to achieve spotless floors following vacuuming. S5 Pro is an auto-clean robot without navigation. As a best practice, please move away the chairs and objects that leave in the way of intended cleaning areas. The robot might repeat cleaning the same space if it detects the obstacles again and again in a very limited space. Please check the side brushes are stuck with cable or objects if the machine stops moving. Number 3. ILIFE A10 Robot. Smart Laser Navigation, App and Voice Control, Custom Area, Carpet Area, To-Go Zone, No-Go Zone, Cleaning Schedule. Designate areas you need to clean and areas to avoid on the ILIFE HOME app, and the robot will guide itself according to your custom map. The A10 works with Alexa, conveniently starting and stopping cleaning with voice commands. Self-recharges and resumes cleaning if the robot has not finished the layout before the battery runs lower than 10%. The robot will self-recharge to 100% and then continue cleaning from the breakpoint. Ideal for large houses. 2-in-1 floating roller brush stays in close contact with the floor and automatically adjusts to uneven surfaces, picking up more debris. Powerful 2000 PA suction. Up to 2000 PA suction efficiently captures debris and large particles, either on hard floors or low-medium pile carpets. Number 4. Bissell ReadyClean Wet, Dry Mopping Hard Floor Robot. Docking station automatically reloads clean mop pads after use, so it's ready for the next clean. Designed to avoid cross-contamination. Once an area is cleaned, the mop pad automatically lifts up and out of the way when headed back to the dock. Mops and sweeps on hard floors. Effectively wet mops or dry sweeps your hard floors for a true clean. Not intended for use on carpet. Advanced home navigation. Featuring 360-degree LiDAR technology. Customized app experience. Create no-go zones. Interact with the map. Create and name rooms and schedule cleanings. Effective edge cleaning. Compact D-shaped design navigates even hard-to-reach spaces. Charges and resumes cleaning. If the robot needs to charge in the middle of a cleaning cycle, it will pick up right where it left off once charged. Number 5. Lefant M210B Robot. Slim and strong, Lefant M210B Robot Vacuum is only 2.99 height but has up to 2000 PA suction. Effortless cleans under or around the bed, sofa or other furniture. Upgraded Free Move Tech 2.0. Upgraded full body built-in 6D infrared sensors profit the robot vacuum to sense the surrounding in 360°. It vacuums the floor efficiently and rarely gets stuck in furniture. Smart app and voice control. You can set cleaning schedules, modes, suction level, etc. via Lefant app anytime anywhere, or give commands by voice through Alexa or Google Assistant. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. 2-in-1 vacuum and mopping. Lefant robotic vacuum cleaner vacuums and mops your floor at the same time. Just install a mop cloth or a disposable wet wipe to mop the floor. long runtime and self-charging. M210B Robot Floor Cleaner provides a constant 100 mins runtime or 11 NOISZ QFT area after a full charge. It will return to the charging base when the cleaning cycle is complete or the battery gets low. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with cool products as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.